Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. On this channel, we help you practice real English, slowly and simply.
Anna, let me ask you something. Do you remember a sad moment in your life that actually taught you something?
Wow, that is a deep question, Leo. Yes, I think we all have moments like that.
Exactly. And that's why today we are talking about sad moments, how to describe them in English using simple and clear vocabulary. So, Anna, how are you feeling today? Happy? Sad? A little in the middle?
Today, I feel good. But, of course, sometimes I feel sad, just like everyone.
Right. And talking about sad moments is actually great practice for English learners.
That's true. When you describe your feelings, you learn important words and you learn how to express yourself.
Let's start simple. What are some situations that can make people sad?
When plans get canceled, when you have a bad day at work, when someone says something unkind, or when you feel lonely.
Yes. Even small things can make us sad sometimes, and that's okay. Let's teach some easy words to talk about sad moments. I'll say a word, and you give an example.
Okay, let's do it.
First word, sad.
Easy. I feel sad when I miss my family.
Good. Next, upset. It means sad plus angry.
I feel upset when people don't listen to me.
Perfect. Next, hurt. The emotion, not the injury.
I feel hurt when a friend forgets my birthday.
Nice. Another one. Disappointed.
Oh, yes. I feel disappointed when my big plans don't work out.
Great. And one more. Worried.
I feel worried when someone I love is sick. Do you want to share a sad moment that taught you something, Leo?
Okay. Last year, I studied very hard for an exam. I wanted to do well, but when I got my score, I failed. I felt very sad and very disappointed.
Aw, Leo.
Yes. But later, I learned something important. Sad moments can help us grow. So I studied again, and the second time, I passed.
That's a great story. A sad moment turned into a strong moment.
What about you, Anna? Can you share a sad moment?
Yes. One time, my best friend moved to another city. I felt very lonely. I cried a lot that week. But that moment taught me that friendships can still stay strong even from far away.
That is beautiful. Sad but beautiful. Now let's teach some simple phrases to comfort someone.
Good idea. Here are a few. I'm sorry you feel this way. I'm here for you. Do you want to talk about it? You're not alone. It's okay to feel sad.
Great phrases, simple and kind. And here are some ways to talk about your sad moments. I feel sad today. I had a bad day. Something upset me. I feel a little down. I need some time to rest.
These are very useful for beginners.
Anna, do you think sad moments are bad?
Not always. Sad moments are part of life. They help us understand ourselves. They help us grow stronger.
Exactly. You can learn English and learn about yourself at the same time. Now it's your turn, friends. Here is our question of the day. What makes you feel sad sometimes?
You can write a simple sentence. For example, I feel sad when I am alone, or I feel sad when it rains.
We read all your comments, and we love learning about your lives.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope this episode helped you learn how to talk about sad moments in English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend learning English.
We will see you in the next episode. Take care.
And remember, it's okay to feel sad sometimes. You are not alone.
Bye, everyone.